Today we're looking at a 2023 Cherokee Timberwolf 39SR destination model. You're going to have a nice patio door here. This does feature 4 different slide outs, right? So it's going to feature a rear bedroom with an entry. The 39SR, you can also get this in the Black Label edition too. This is going to just be the regular edition. Reflective mirrored glass all the way throughout. It looks really sharp on these new Timberwolves this year. The Cherokee's done an awesome job. So going in the patio, you're going to see this is going to be our middle living area. Got your ceiling fan up top. You've got your TV, your fireplace down below, 2 opposing sofas. Love the zebra blinds that they put. Really cool different area. Awesome seating area just for everybody to hang out with an open concept. As you see the bar here that separates the kitchen from the living room. Coming up in the kitchen, I just love the freestanding dinette, especially for older and bigger people. It's easier to get in and out of these compared to those booths. Look how awesome this front window is and the arch they put around your sink and your big picture window up front. Large residential fridge, microwave, 3-burner cooktop with oven. Again, looking back to the back here, you got your patio doors, all the backlighting up top. I love the arch they put around the TV as well. Now we're heading towards the rear. We're going to look as we come. This is going to feature a loft. So coming here, we're going into our bathroom. You've got a residential seat, large shower, your toilet. You've got your sink, your medicine cabinet up above here. It does have your mirror. So a pretty nice sized bathroom, and these are perfect for putting on a permanent spot, little getaway, destination place that you're doing. I see a lot of people even stay in these while they're building their house. Got storage on both sides of the bathroom here, with 2 different mirrors. Then as we come back a little bit farther here, we're going to come up. This is the loft area, which is awesome for kids, grandkids, even adults come up here. Got plenty of room to be able to sit up here and sleep and hang out. You've got 2 different basically double beds. You've got your nightstand up here. You can put a TV up here. Plenty of storage cabinets up above. Come back down from our loft. Next we're going to swing into our master bedroom, which is in the rear of the coach. You do have an entry coming into the master bedroom. So if everybody's sleeping, you can come into your bedroom, not wake everybody up. Ton of storage in the back. You've got an awesome queen bed. Ton of cabinets. Gives you a ton of place to put all your different linens and everything else. So these really are a home away from home. Overall, just an awesome concept. We're coming back up here now, coming through the hallway. Get that door out of the way here. Here's our living room again. Front kitchen. Just an open concept feel. I really love the overall layout.